everyone. I want to share with you a Google add-on that I found that I have been using with a few select choice projects that I've been doing with my students. This is called the Choice Eliminator 2. Now it's actually found in Google Workspace Marketplace, but I'm going to send you the link directly in the email. So if you want to go to it directly, you can just click on the link and see and check it out. For right now, once you see it pop up on the link, you'll just want to click a button down here that says install. Mine is already on, so you'll see right here I can go through and uninstall it if I wanted to, but mine is already there. Let's take a look at now how this actually works. Okay, so here I have an example of a document. This is actually a choice activity I have for my students. And what I essentially want them to do is I have about 17 different options, but I don't want all students choosing the same couple of different options. I want to make sure that I get a lot of variety. So in order to do that, I had to turn this into a choice eliminator option. So what I did is I went ahead and clicked on the question, so it's activated, and then I go up to the top where I have the little puzzle piece and it says add-ons. Now that I've installed Choice Eliminator 2, I'm going to select it. This automatically comes up and you select Configure. Scroll down. This automatically pops up as well. Just go ahead and close it out, or you can read through it, that's fine. And then when you're down on your question, you'll see that it's automatically chose, okay, this is the one you want to actually make the choice eliminators for. And I'm like, yes, this is it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And then I'm going to also activate Choice Eliminator. Now that it's ready to go, I need to adjust the setting, the choice option. So I'm going to click on the wheel. Okay, now it's already set so that each option can only be chosen one time. But I have 17 options, so I can't do that. I have to at least double, if not triple, the number. So I'm going to go ahead and change each one of these to 2. Okay, now I have preset this so that each one of these options has the ability of being chosen twice. But once the once the selection has been chosen 2 times, it is automatically eliminated as being an option for kids to choose from. Let me show you what a completed form looks like from here. All right, so here's an example of a form that has been completed. And what I wanted to kind of show you is understanding what these counts mean. So if you see count 1, that means one student has chosen condensation dew point as their choice, but there's still one available left for students to choose from. If you see, like for me, I set my limit at 2. So if it says count 2, that means 2 students chose boiling point and now it is eliminated as an option. I do want to show you the one hiccup that can happen. For example, I had all my kids choosing at the same time, so sometimes the Google form cannot update quick enough, so you might get it once in a while where you see a count 3, and that means 3 students chose that particular topic because they were all on there at the same time and the form just couldn't catch up fast enough. So it is a little bit of a hiccup, but I never usually see more than 1 over of what the options were or the count was. So it's never usually like some obscene number like 5 or 6. It might be like 1 over the maximum that I gave it, which is okay for me, and I can deal with that. All right, so now what does that mean? So if you go to your responses and take a look, go into your actual responses over here in Sheets, and then it's also organized as well. So you can see what kid chose which projects. You have a running list of it. And if you want to copy and paste it and put it in your Google Classroom so everybody knows what everyone else is working with, or if you did a partner, a blind partner draw, then you could see who matches what and they could find their partner and begin working on their projects. So again, just another way to be able to manipulate Google Forms into what you want it to be able to do. Here I am back on my original form that I was setting up. You'll notice that again, I set all my counts to 2 so that hopefully no more than 2 will ever get chosen and then it gets eliminated as an option. Once you have everything set, there is no save button because remember everything auto saves inside of Google Forms and Docs and all that good stuff. So you just simply X out. You can also X out of this as well. And now your form is pretty much ready to go. I would tell you this, make sure you go up to settings. And also make sure you limit to 1 response, okay? And the reason why you want to do that is if you don't, students can go in and modify their choices and it'll mess up your options. So again, I would make sure that I have it set limit to 1 response, and that'll really help out, okay? All right, click save and you're good to go. So this, again, might be useful in some types of projects that you're using in the classroom, or if you're trying to form partnerships, might be an option for you. I hope you have a great day.